Welcome to this quick guide on managing your StockCharts account. Whether you're looking to change your plan, update your billing information, or manage your add-ons, we've got you covered. To get started, from the Members dashboard, you can access your account details in two ways. You can click your name or the person icon in the upper right corner and select Your Account from the menu, or you can click the Your Account button on the upper left side of the dashboard. Need to change your password? It's simple. Head to Account Details and then find the Login Credentials section. Click Edit by your old password and enter your new password. Just make sure it's strong and secure. You can also update your email here. Since your email serves as your user ID, changing it will also update your username. Just below Login Credentials, you'll find your contact info followed by billing info. This is where you can easily update your credit card details if you need to change or adjust your payment method. To manage your service level, go to the Membership Details section, then Service Level area, and click Change. You can upgrade at any time. To downgrade, you'll need to wait until the end of your current service period. Your account will be eligible for a downgrade starting 1 month before your renewal date. To renew or update your account, visit the Renewal Cycle section and click Change. You can switch between monthly and annual renewal options. Remember, choosing the annual option saves you money. If you need to cancel your service, you can do so by clicking the red Cancel Account button on the main Your StockCharts account page. Just below the Renewal Cycle section, you'll see Data Plans, where you can customize your real-time data by adding or removing exchanges from around the world. Want to enhance your StockCharts experience? Check out the Add-Ons section, where you can discover a range of plugins and chart packs to boost your charting capabilities. To browse and install these features, just click the See All Add-Ons button in the upper right corner. As a final note, the new article notifications area allows you to subscribe to the StockCharts members-only blogs. When a new article is published, you'll receive a notification via email. And that's it. Managing your StockCharts.com account is simple and straightforward. If you have any questions or need further assistance, our support team is always here to help.